Before continuing with our example, I want to show you how to use the hotkeys inside Houdini. I show you not all hotkeys because there is a lot, and also for the graph editors like the animation editor there is a lot of them. By the way, you can check here from edit hotkeys, and inside the hotkeys you can find all hotkeys was assigned. It's the same name you can call shortcuts in some software, in other software, another tutorial, for example, or documentation. By the way, you can find here there is a lot of section here, the context. You can have here, for example, the Houdini, and inside Houdini you can find also the play bar with all you can find here. But by the way, you can also filter with the animation editor, and you can find for animation editor a lot of them. Here the key with this line, with this drawing, is applied the shortcut. Essentially you can check here, for example, for that you can click that, you can find from the pad you can have this all hotkeys was applied and what is done. By the way, I want to show you with the practical example. We can create for our null, we can create another object like, for example, the pighead in this case, for have the little variation, not for use always the sphere or the box. Control anim, and we can also, because I love to don't we can easy, okay, and we can move it like this. For this example I don't use any SOP inside for transformation or any particular situation for that. By the way, when you have here and you want, for example, start with the create the first keyframes, you can use, for example, just shortcut is key. If you press the key, you can find here it's create the first keyframes, and also is setting for all transformation. You can have here the set the key. It's the same. You can right mouse button keyframes. You can see here you can have for example set the keyframe. You can just alt plus left mouse button is more quickly, okay. You can do that for more quickly, and I prefer use this shortcut and not create the with the key, because if I create with another frames and press the key, you can see I have all parameters, and when you open inside your animation editor, okay, you can find here all channel, and there is a lot of information. Like I say before, it's better have the essential information for don't have a lot of keys, a lot of parameters, a lot of curve. Maybe you don't use it, but maybe you can get some mistake because maybe you don't click on the right way here. And the same also for the top sheet, and for the table you can find a lot of information is not used. It is not make more sense have the lot of information when you don't use it. So I prefer, we can delete that very quickly. Oops. Or we can reset with the control and middle mouse, or you can delete channel, control shift and left mouse, control shift and left mouse. You can reset in all channel here, okay. So by the way, alt and left mouse button, you can create one key here, and we can move it. For example, here we can use, for example, the R for rotation, T for translate, Y for have all stuff here, E for the scale, for example, but usually with the epsilon. You can have a whole transformation here for the handle. You can move it. In this case, I want to create the simple animation from here, and maybe I can move it also here and create another animation. For example, move that here. So we have this kind of animation. Okay, it's very simple. Another hotkeys, if you don't have here setting, for example, the auto keys change, you can see now I disable. If I press the alt key, I setting here the auto key change. So when you move it essentially from one point to another point, so you don't go to setting another keyframes for each time. So that it's very comfortable. Usually all keyboard have the arrow near the pad number. If you don't have the pad number, but I am sure you have also the arrow, and you can use the arrow for move on your timeline. You can have with the arrow up. You can just play for go in the sense of timeline. You can repress press again the arrow, you can go to stop. You have also for the arrow down for play backward. Usually on this the arrow you have some keys with ins, cans, and page up, page down, etc. Not in all, but in some keyboard maybe you can find also the pause key. You can press the pause for stop it, for play and pause your animation, and that is for play your animation without go to here and click, for example, play. Okay, every time we can check very fast work if you how is work your animation. You can have also the arrow of left and right. With the right you can press one time or two times, you can see you can move it frame by frame or your timeline forward, and with the arrow of left you can stand back with on your frames. You can move it frame by frame up and down on your timeline. And with the control, for example, we can come back from the first frame. With the control plus the right arrow, you can go to the end of your timeline. With the control and left arrow, you can come back on the first frame of your timeline. With the shift, if you hold on shift and the right arrow, you can move it on the next keyframe. And with the press shift and the left arrow, you can move it forward the keyframes. That is very comfortable, because when you're working, for example, you want copy and paste from this to another for create the little repeat your animation. We can also alt shift F, we can open the graph editor. In this case animation editor is here. We can also, for example, select all translate. We can select all translate. We can copy, for example, Control C, and we can move it from the last keyframes here, and we can, for example, Control V, and we can copy the keys. So we are sure we can copy the keys here. So it's not important. You can move it with the slider. Okay, it's not important to move it frame by frame or right here your frame. For example, you can, this frame is 11 and 50. You don't move it specifically with these tools, but you are sure 100% you are on the last or the next keyframes you are setting on your timeline. So that it's very important, because you can, if you do some operation like Control C, Control V, it's more important that.